In today's video, let's share the study guide for AD0-E725 Adobe Commerce Developer Expert Exam. AD0-E725 Exam Overview. Recommended knowledge and skills. Exam objectives. Study tips to pass the exam. 1. A client requests that their staging environment be configured to closely mimic their production environment. What steps should a developer take to ensure this setup is accurate? A. Use the Adobe Commerce Cloud Admin Panel to replicate all production settings in staging. B. Deploy the same code base and configurations to both environments, but disable certain production services like live payment gateways. C. Manually copy all files and configurations from production to staging. D. Modify the core settings in production to allow for easier replication. Answer: B. 2. How can a developer programmatically add a new customer attribute in Adobe Commerce? A. Modify the customer EAV table directly via SQL. B. Use a data patch to add the attribute using the EAV setup classes. C. Add the attribute directly through the admin panel under Stores configuration. D. Update the EAV_attribute table manually. Answer: B. 3. If a developer needs to synchronize product data across multiple external systems in real time, which Adobe Commerce feature should they leverage? A. Database triggers and stored procedures. B. Direct database replication. C. Custom APIs utilizing Adobe Commerce Web Services. D. Batch processing via cron jobs. Answer: C. 4. What is the recommended way to handle large-scale data imports in Adobe Commerce? A. Use direct SQL queries to insert data into the database. B. Utilize the Adobe Commerce Data Import functionality. C. Manually input data via the admin panel. D. Modify the flat file and upload it to the server. Answer: B. 5. How can a developer troubleshoot an issue with the database connection in Adobe Commerce Cloud using the CLI tool? A. Use the Magento Cloud DB tunnel command to establish a connection and check the logs. B. Modify the env.php file to reset the database. C. Use the admin panel to restart the database services. D. Use the composer JSON file to force a connection reset. Answer: A. 6. How can a developer create a custom service contract to define an interface for a new API in Adobe Commerce? A. Add the interface directly to the module's model directory. B. Define the interface in the module's API directory and declare it in d.xml. C. Override the existing API service contracts to include the new methods. D. Modify the webapi.xml file to include the new service contract. Answer: B. 7. How can a developer customize the Magento configuration layer to introduce a new system configuration for enabling, disabling a custom feature? A. Modify the core_config_data table directly to add new config values. B. Add a new system.xml file under the etc. directory of the custom module to define the configuration. C. Hardcode the configuration settings into the module's helper class. D. Use a patch to add configuration directly to the database. Answer: B. 8. What is the primary purpose of the cron scheduling system in Adobe Commerce? A. To manage user permissions and roles dynamically. B. To facilitate real-time data synchronization between stores. C. To schedule and execute tasks that need to run periodically. D. To update product prices in real time based on market conditions. Answer: C. 9. How can a developer customize the category page layout to display products in a specific order based on a custom attribute? A. Modify the core category controller to include the sorting logic. B. Use a plugin to customize the product collection sorting on the category page. C. Update the database queries to sort by the custom attribute. D. Use JavaScript to reorder the products on the front end. Answer: B. 10. A merchant has encountered frequent cache invalidations due to high traffic. What strategy should a developer use to reduce the frequency of invalidations and improve performance in Adobe Commerce Cloud? A. Increase the Redis cache size. B. Reduce the cache expiration time. C. Implement full-page caching with Fastly. D. Disable all caching during high traffic periods. Answer: C. Thank you. Subscribe Seek Exams for more free questions.